Hello everybody! Today we're going to take a close-up look at Tattoo 1730s to 1970s Schiffmacher's private collection. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is Tattoo 1730s to 1970s Schiffmacher's private collection book. It is a very large book in the XL format or size. So weighing in at over 6 kilograms in total. I'm trying my best to show you all the details of this book and its packaging. And this is the back of the box packaging. And now let's go ahead and open it up. Of course, lifting up the box flap or cover to reveal the contents inside, so you can see the Tattoo hardcover book in the XL size. And let's lift it up. So bear in mind, I do have a tripod and camcorder in the way, so sometimes it might be a bit of a struggle trying to reach and lift this very, very heavy book. Just making sure nothing is left behind in that box packaging. So I'm just going to close it back up. Properly. And setting that to the side. Let's set it on the right hand side of the frame somewhat. And take a look at the book itself, so you can see the book is shrink wrapped. There is a thin shrink wrapper protecting the book and just giving you a look as it is, and all the details around the book before I open it up. So just giving you one full clear view of this Tattoo 1730s to 1970s Schiffmacher's private collection book. And this book is by Taschen, as you can already see from the outer box packaging and of course at the bottom of the front cover. So now let's go ahead and open it up. But of course, peeling open the shrink wrapper. So just doing so. Let's use a penknife and doing it very carefully, just making a small nick. And now just peeling off the shrink wrapper. And right there, coming off very slowly. And let's make a little bit more of a tear. And off the wrapper goes. And the initial thing about peeling off the wrapper is I can feel the texture of the cover. So it does have a nice textured surface. So let's bring it up close so you can see all the details right there. And you can see the hard cover texture. So this is a very, very fine and soft texture to the upper cover. So just giving you those close-up details as to the print quality as well, and the color detail of this Tattoo 1730s to 1970s Schiffmacher's private collection book. And this is a bit of an exercise as well, just lifting and keeping the book close to the camcorder so you can see the details right there, and at the same time giving myself that core body workout. And right there, the back part. So you can see the back cover now, of course with the shrink wrapper off, giving you a bit more detail, minus the reflection. And now you can see, once again, the surface texture. So it does have a weave type of texture to the surface of this hardcover book. So there, giving you that detail once again. So this book has 440 pages in it with over 700 images, and it is a collection spanning just over 200 years, a collection of Henk Schiffmacher's private collection, of course. So now just opening it up and giving you a look at the details inside. So as you can see, let me just recenter the book. So you can see the details contained within the book. And the book is individually numbered up to 10,000 copies. And just moving the book down slightly further so you have those details of the pages contained within this book. So if I do miss some pages, so be it, but just showing you the details as best I can. So of course, spanning over 200 years of tattoo history from Henk Schiffmacher's private collection, containing all types of items that are tattoo related. So you can see there's plenty of images, as I mentioned, over 700 images in this book. And we can see that the history does go back quite a far bit and spanning different cultures as well. And now this is the second chapter right here. and there is a red ribbon for bookmarking. There is the ribbon. And just trying to straighten it out again, or just flip it out. And we can see there are plenty of images in this book, and that's all part of Henk Schiffmacher's private collection. And we're almost halfway through the book and into the third chapter. And into the fourth chapter. And chapter 5. And on the final pages is the biography of Henk Schiffmacher and acknowledgements. And that is the book. And just looking through once again at the opening pages, you can see the copy number right there of 10,000, and this is 5461. So that's the tattoo, 1730s to 1970s, Henk Schiffmacher's private collection by Taschen. Thanks for watching and happy reading!